Ta-da! We got lamb ears, dog chew, a penguin, butcher's block bones, banana snacks, and cheesiness. And a few more of these description cards. Very cool.